Hello and welcome to Iconiqq TV. My name is Deejay Iconiqq team and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something that's on everyone's mind, making quick money. And we are not just talking about any kind of money. We are talking about Kenyan money because let's be real, nobody wants to be broke in this economy, right? Alright. Now, I know you might be thinking, Deejay Iconiqq, what do you know about making money? Well, let me tell you. I've been hustling in this game for a minute and I've picked up a few tips and tricks along the way. Tip number 1, start with the basics. You'd be surprised how much you can make by just selling stuff you don't need anymore. Got some clothes you don't wear anymore? Sell them on OLX or Gigi. You have a phone or laptop gathering dust? Sell it on Facebook Marketplace. Trust me, somebody will buy it. Tip number 2, get creative. You don't always have to sell physical goods to make money. No, you can also sell your skills. Are you a whiz with Photoshop? Offer your skills and services on Upwork. Can you write a killer CV? Help people land their dream job on Fiverr or wherever. The possibilities are endless. Tip number 3, become an entrepreneur. I know it sounds crazy, but starting your own business can be a great way to make money. And with the rise of e-commerce platforms like Kilimall and Jumia, it's easier than ever to get started. Just find a niche and fill it. Tip number 4, go for gold. I'm talking about social media. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram and YouTube are a gold mine for making money. All you need is a creative idea, a phone and a strong internet connection, rather Wi-Fi. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So use these platforms responsibly and ethically. Yeah. Then the other tip, number 5, don't be afraid to ask. If you are ever in a bind and need some quick cash, don't be afraid to ask friends or family for a loan. Just make sure you pay them back on time, or you might have to start calling them frenemy instead. Yeah? So there you have it, 5 tips for making quick money in Kenya. Remember, making money is never easy, but with the right mindset and the right attitude, you can make it happen. Now, let's get out there and make some money. Yeah? I'll see you in the next one. Exercise, drink some water. And be good, yeah? No, be dangerous. Bye-bye.